Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Exteria. So on today's video I am going to be teaching you guys how to make avocado smoothie. I'm using 2 butter avocados, a cup of milk, and then about a tablespoon of honey. So I'm just going to be cutting my avocado into tiny bits. I'm using 1.5 of these avocados. Just a quick gist guys, I never liked avocados, I don't even like seeing it. But when I discovered that avocados is good for our health, I had to look for a way to start eating avocados. Then I came up with this recipe, and ever since then I've been taking this smoothie like no man's business. It is so yummy, and this is the only way I can take avocados right now. So I'm just going to be using the other half of this avocado, and then I'll pour it into my blender and blend on a high speed. So right now I'm adding half a cup of water, and then I'll blend. So guys, right now I'm going to turn in my avocado into my cup, and then I'm going to garnish with some chunks of avocado, and then we are all set. This is so yummy, it is so yummy. My friends literally fought for this. Please let me know if you try this down in the comment section. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.